Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be installing a wig from Gorgius Hair. Inside the package, I received a bag with some goodies like hairpins, edge brush, elastic bands, a wig cap, and I received the wig that I'll be installing. As you guys can see, this is a 5x5 pre-parted closure wig. My client will be doing a middle part, so I will be using the part to my advantage. And the knots are pretty small, so I didn't do any bleaching to the wig. I only plucked it because it's a colored wig and the knots were already pre-bleached. This is what the wig looks like on my client's head. As you guys can see, I already hot combed it into place. My client will be doing one baby hair on each side. The first thing that I'm doing is making the dotted line so I can know where to place the glue. Normally when I do closure installs, I cut the lace off first before gluing it down. But this time I'm going to glue the wig down first because I want the widow's peak to be more visible. So I want to be able to pull it up as much as possible. For each install, I use 3 layers of glue. So right now I'm putting down my first layer. I'm using Erica J's Hold Me Down adhesive. As you guys can see, I'm placing the glue down as to where I'm gonna cut the lace off. So because I want the widow's peak to be more visible, you guys can see that I'm bringing the glue down pointier towards the center of my client's head. I don't want to have extra lace on the wig that isn't needed, so I'm only placing glue where there will be hair. When I'm placing the lace down into the glue, I place the middle down first and stretch it so that it doesn't have any rolls in it. When I place the center down, I then pull the center of the wig up to make the widow's peak more visible. Now I'm just cutting off all the extra lace that isn't needed. As you guys can see, I didn't put a lot of glue, so I'm able to cut off all the lace that doesn't have any hair on it. After I cut off all the extra lace, I used the makeup closest to my client's skin complexion and applied it on top of the lace so that it can blend better. I then used a melting spray and sprayed it across the lace before placing down the black elastic band. This is what the lace looks like after it's been melted. Now I'm going to lift up the baby hairs, cut them, curl it with my small flat iron, and then soup them with Got To Be Glued gel and Cream of Nature mousse. When I'm doing the baby hairs, I use the Got To Be gel to weigh the baby hairs down so that it'll be easier and stay in place while I swoop them with the mousse. When I'm swooping the baby hairs, I use my thumb to kind of help me keep the shape in place too. After I style the baby hairs, I use about 5 to 6 wrap strips and tie them down while I style the hair. While I style the hair, the baby hairs have time to dry, so now I'm just removing the wrap strips so I can start to hot comb the hair. Before hot combing, I use some BioSilk and spread it across the wig so that when I hot comb it, it'll be sleek and in place. After I finish hot combing the hairline, I use the angled brush and the same makeup that I used on my client to outline the part and make it look sharp. This is how the install came out. The wig did have some layers in it, so I flat ironed it and this is what it looks like. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.